Let me get some of them gold beads. Ooh. Girl, you better throw up on my floor. You better throw up on this floor, girl. Hey world!
Welcome back to our channel, and if you're new to our channel, I'm your girl KT.
And I'm Keambra, and in today's video, we will be doing a DIY waist bead tutorial. If you do not know what waist beads are body jewelry originated from ancient Egypt. It is used for body shaper, sex appeal, traditional practices.
Also for healing and meditation, heritage and pride, and material and growth. But most females today use the waist beads for measuring the waist, maintaining figure, and for accessories. So in addition to doing the waist beads, I will also be doing the seesaw flush, and I will be measuring my waist with the waist beads at the end of the flush to see do it actually works for real. I see several reviews on YouTube, but I don't know. I don't trust anybody, so I'm going to try for myself and let you all know. So stay tuned.
Yes, so you will see the real results here. Okay? And I think this is perfect because this is going to actually help us calculate our waist measurements, our inches, how many we have gained, how much weight or inches we have gained in our waist or lost in our waist. So this is going to be amazing and perfect. Okay, so let's get into the materials. For the materials, we will need the 1mm stretch magic string, which is this. You'll need some beads,
measuring tape,
and scissors, of course. All of this extra stuff on the table is just for fancy purposes.
So let's get started.
First step will be measuring the waist.
Okay, we have already measured our waist. I'm at 34 inches.
And I am at 28.5 inches. So we already measured our waist. So I know I said it again. It doesn't matter. So you just take your measuring tape and you take your string. You take your measuring tape and your string, and you're going to measure out your string with your measuring tape. So I'm at 28.5. Just to give it a little bit room, so when we do apply the beads on, it's not as difficult when we're tying the knot or enclosing the waist beads. I'm gonna do just 5 inches instead of 3. So that's 4. So I'm at 33.5, and I cut the string there.
Okay, so I'm starting off with making the stopper. The stopper is to keep the beads from falling off. You can either make a stopper or tie a knot, and we chose to make a stopper. So you would just put the string straight through, go through the other end, and you would do this step twice, or how many times you need to ensure that it doesn't move. Okay, so it doesn't move. ahead and start drinking my water. It is the pink Himalaya sea salt, and you put 2 tablespoons in a 1 liter bottle of water. You can also boil it, but it dissolves on its own. And once it dissolves, then you can drink it, and you can also add lemon or lime in it to make it taste better. But yeah, let's get started. Oh Lord. Oh guys, that's nasty.
Oh.
The lemon message tastes a little better. It's not as horrible as it was when I tried it the first time. The false, it was an epidemic fail, so I'm trying it again, so let's hope that it works this time.
It is gonna work this time, okay?
Okay, it don't taste that bad, y'all. You really have to add lemon or lime to it. Juice.
What, lemon or lime juice?
Ugh.
Well, while she's enjoying her grateful and refreshing lemon water / salt water, I'm still beating. This is coming along so pretty and different.
Oh Lord, come on, get it together, sister.
Let me get some of them gold bead. Ooh. Girl, you better throw up on my floor. You better throw up on this floor, girl.
I'm not throwing up.
Oh.
It's spilled. We were talking. And
I ain't do it.
It's fine.
Ain't my
I
fault.
didn't do it. I didn't mind you. Oh.
You caught on camera too.
Huh.
You caught on camera. I ain't editing it out either.
Look at your olive. I love it. I want to go over here. You want some things over here?
Yeah, I want to add some to them. Just a few.
Ooh.
Actually, majority. I'm joking. I ain't no small blue beads. Oh.
Oh, almost rolled my eye off. I'm almost finished.
Woo!
Almost. Ooh, excuse me.
Girl.
She probably still won't get published.
Well, go visit her, girl.
Ooh. I got 2 more gulps.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, Drake, turn it up like a bill. Turn it up like a bill.
I gotta let it sit on my stomach. It's not even the taste. It's the ones to get inside. And
The digestion.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
Makes you want to throw everything up.
Don't think about throwing up.
I know. This one I'm trying not to think about. Right.
I ain't got time.
No video.
So first of all,
No video. I'm bad. Oh Lord.
girl.
Lord. Okay, so.
Chug, 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 chug. Come on, finish. Come on. Chug, 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 chug. Up. No, girl. Hey, she finished like a champ.
Oh, nasty. Lord.
Okay, so look at our cute beads that we made. And mine is inspired, boho inspired. And what's yours inspired by, KT?
Life. It has a mixture of earth,
Okay, yeah.
the natural tones.
Yeah, oh yeah. Okay.
She's always doing that to y'all.
Okay, so to finish off our waist beads, we're going to double knot the end where you left the excess thread or string. So right here, we're going to take both end of strings and we're going to double knot.
Okay, I think mine was wrong with something.
And you might have to knot multiple times just to kind of keep the string intact and not from sliding out quickly. So one more time, we're gonna knot it one more time.
Well, this concludes our video for the waist bead tutorial, and here are the fabulous results. Okay, so let's talk about this saltwater flush.
Yes.
The taste was awful, but it kind of tastes better with the lemon, so I was able to drink it faster. But about 20 minutes, like my stomach started rumbling a little bit, so I had to go to the restroom. And TMI, it's really a flush. It's really a colon cleanse, basically. And my bloat went down a whole lot tremendously.
Yes, a whole lot.
So I feel it rumbling a little bit more.
We hope you guys like our DIY authentic waist beads tutorial. And we hope to see you guys until next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Peace.